Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be going over our trading week and what we have done right, but as well as we will focus on identifying what we have done wrong and what are the adjustments that we have to make going forward, right? So that is the purpose of this video. Let's jump into the Monday. Essentially this week we had a total of 5 trades. 2 were winning trades, 2 were losing trades, and 1 was a break-even trade, right? We ended up closing the week slightly in green. Here is the essentially we ended up with 1.5 hour 1.5 risk unit to close the week. So let's jump into it. Let's see, let's identify what we could have done better during the this week, and if there is anything that we can do moving forward to to score more risk unit. The entry time frame, it's the 1 minute for me, so I will be going over trades into the 1 minute, and let's jump into the Monday trade. So essentially Monday I was looking for a for a long. We took this trade on Monday, which targeting this liquidity pool here, and really we scored just 1 risk unit on this trade, as we took a first partial somewhere over here, and then we were trying to target this final target, but we were taken out somewhere here, so we really we didn't got the full movement. So that is one of the things that we need to kind of focus going into next week, trying to maximize the target, the risk unit there. Now Tuesday we didn't had any trade, so we will jump straight into the Wednesday trades. See, Wednesday we had a fantastic trade over here. We made the entire 2.3 risk unit. We actually anticipated a bit the entry, given the the aggressivity on the way down here, so it was just over 2.4 2.5 hour there on the Wednesday trade. Wonderful trade over there. Thursday, let's move into, and that was essentially the only trade we took that day. Then on Thursday we tried 2 trades. We made 2 trades. One was over here. Final target was I was looking to get somewhere over here, as and looking at potential of 2 hour 2.3 hours over there, but we really got just over here. Problem I had with this trade at that time is that I moved my stop loss at break even, I believe, too early. So essentially I was stopped out. I was stopped out break even on this trade. But even though I was never going to reach the the final target, essentially we just made to the 1.8 1.9 risk unit. So I'm glad I took off a break even there on this trade. We did try to short again later during the day, and although we essentially we took a loss over here, and then later on, you know, we had a movement on the downside. We really never got to the final target we were looking for. Here on the hindsight, we could have, you know, put a stop loss over there, and you know, perhaps at some point, you know, closing also these at break even, so we could have somehow avoided that loss at some point. And then we had another trade on Friday, which really was on the IES, and that was also a losing trade. We had an entry over here targeting the low, but it was a losing trade. So if you made to this point, consider of course to subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment below, smash that like button, it's really appreciated. But coming back to the video, to recap, we have taken a total of 5 trades during the week. 2 were winning trades, 2 were losing trades, and 1 was a break-even trade. One of the losing trade, and specifically the trade that we took into the Nasdaq and took on Tuesday, was what stands out of these trades is that both of those were taken during the this one was taken during the lunch hours, and this one was taken in the afternoon session, really. So they're probably going into the next week, that will be the focus, to, you know, to remove those trades taken during the lunch hour. Still have to decide about the 2 p.m. trade, really, if I need to be completely honest with everyone. As yesterday we were looking on taking a short on the Nasdaq, sorry, which ended up to work just fine. And that would have been a beautiful trade, but I was not part of it. This trade would have scored just over 5R if we were going to target now this low. So yeah, that's what I have for it. So going into next week, really we will focus on not taking trades during the lunch hours, which would have avoided, of course, 1 loss. And another things that we gonna focus, of course, is to you know, go for the target rather than taking partial, but we will move the stop loss at break even at some point. So appreciate you guys watching. If you have any comment question, please leave it into the section below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.